What up YouTube, Dead Draw here with another video. Today I went to Locals and I was going to buy a box of Tachyon Galaxy, which I said I was going to open, but they were sold out, which wasn't cool. So I played, it happened to be a box tourney and I won first place with my Firefist deck, so I did get a box of Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy, and we shall do a box opening for you. So, I'm really happy that I got first place. Won a box, and we'll see what we get. This is technically this is the second time I got first there, so okay, 24 packs. Hide on the Fire Island, Green Duster. No super yet. No foil yet. No foils in this box. Okay, go ahead. Should have got second. Gaga gear, nice. Do have all the dragons. Ugh. Harpy's Channeler.
Nice.
Ultra rare.
Sad.
Holy kitty. I just have a feeling I'm gonna get Totem Bird. That's what I just feel. Can you get the cat away? Number 69. Duck Fighter, yeah. Play set. Blaster. Nice. One blaster, so I have two blasters now. Holy. Not that great so far, but decent. Two foils, three foils. So far. Nice. Ulti. I have one of those. I pulled it in the snake. So, the other side. No secret yet. Battling Boxer. Sword of 7 stars.
So good. It's going up.
Yeah, I know Kyle's gonna want it. I don't really want
There
to.
you go. Or no, keep it for yourself.
Yeah.
I might want to start collecting the dragons, honestly.
Yeah.
Why not? And then full time.
still yet to have a secret. Maybe I won't have a secret.
Never know.
I like a secret.
That was plain.
Yeah. Is that the CXE? Yeah, it is. I don't even need that. Ghost Fairy. Come on! Scared I'm not gonna get a secret. It's okay, but like, I really wanted a secret. Tempest.
Nice.
Ghost rare. Nice. That's my first ghost ever. So,
What is it?
Tachyon.
Ooh.
Nice.
First ghost I've ever had. I'm happy.
That's really cool.
And a Tempest.
Yeah, that's sick. That's even more. It's a pretty decent box.
Tarantula Reborn. That's my secret. Whew. Kyle wants that.
Yep, that's fair.
So that's my secret of the box. That's okay. No airplane. Sadness.
No judgment, no airplane.
Would have preferred the 18 packs, mate. Should have scooped. Just kidding. Yay. That's the sneak peek card. Last pack. Destiny. Wow. So, alright. Well, that was my box opening. We'll do a quick overview of just the supers. I'm not going to worry about the rares or anything I pulled here. We got Tarantula Reborn. That's my secret. Oh, that's a rare. Ghost Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. Ghost Fairy. Yeah, something. Number C106. Sacred Sword of 7 stars. Wake Up Magic Variance Force. Harpy's Chandler. And Gaga Gear. Duck Fighter and Turtle Racer as well. So, overall, not that bad of a box, but the person who won before me and got the 18 packs pulled a judgment. What can you do, though? I'm just happy with the placing I got anyway. So, anyways.